What about if you would like to create a real 3D doors or windows? Now,
Well,
first
what
things
happens
first.
if you already have an image? What happens if you have a picture of the door?
Okay, let's start with that. I prepared a few files here. I have photos. It's on the other screen. So if you have photographs, it's either you made it or you can find online. I actually found these online. You can just take any sort of photo and then you can turn this into a material easily, and then I will show you how you can apply this to this door easily. So how this works. First things first, you need to somehow import this image into ARCHLine, which you can use the file import raster image, or you can just simply drag and drop onto a 2D drawing and then just, well, let's just place it someplace here,
where it fits.
like that. And then you need to do two things if you would like to use it as a material. One thing is that you need to set up something that we call an orthogonal view, which you can find in the local menu, and this is what you should use. This way you actually tell the software that what is the corner point of an imaginary rectangle that you can see on a likely sometimes perspective photograph. Now it's quite not like that, but
so you could even straighten out an image if it's in an angle.
Yeah. That's exactly what I want to show. So you just match these corner points to the original, sometimes perspective photograph, and then you hit enter, and the software turns it into an orthogonal material with perpendicular edges. Now it's just automatically placed somewhere inside the drawing, and then now you can just simply select this and tell the software that you would like to save it as a material. Now I will save it as a door photo. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, let's just name it door photo 01. I will save it into the my own libraries, and let's say these will be something like doors or something like that. Okay, so now I have this material. I erase this because from this point on I don't need it anymore. And then I find it in the materials here. It's in my libraries and doors, and then I can just drag and drop it over to an existing door and tell the software to change this material from the original one to this new one, and then now it's there. So this is how easily you can just attach a photograph of an originally sometimes very complex door. So like here you can find carvings in it. You don't really like to model it sometimes.
Yes.
You don't have the time for that,
or that's maybe not needed, but if you want to have a backdrop or a background to your design, then this might be very useful. Yes,
absolutely. Sometimes even if it's in a focus, you can just tweak the material settings, add a little bit of bump mapping, and that will just completely absolutely work. So this is how you can create something out of a photograph.